Welcome back, friends. Last week witnessed a roller coaster ride in Indian stock markets with alternative bouts of buying and selling across the week. One day you saw a rise, another day was a fall, and the undertone was fairly bearish most of the week. This week, forthcoming week, will be no very different. Monday should be a decent day, should be a good day for stock markets uh, on rising US China trade deal hopes and various other measures taken by the government. But do not forget that there is going to be further reaction to a proposed increase in GST rates, slab rates in for many items such as branded cereals, mobile phones, private hotel rooms in the range of 5,000 to 7,500. Also in various other services such as expensive private hospitals, and all this is going to go and add to inflation once again. RBI in its latest monetary policy was hesitant to raise interest rates because they believed that the food inflation was rising quite rapidly, and this definitely overcame a very poor rise in GDP growth, 4.5% here in India. In such a scenario, it is obvious that if inflation goes up because of these increase in the GST rates, the slab rates, the overall inflation figure will be higher. Therefore, the interest rates will also be higher, and the cost of borrowing will also go up. In such a scenario, Reserve Bank of India, in its forthcoming monetary policies, will be more hesitant to cut interest rates because of rising inflation. As a result, the real interest costs will be higher to the borrowers, and this could again deter further borrowing. This change in slabs, or rather increase in the slabs, has been necessitated by the centers having to dole out more money as compensation to states whenever the growth in revenue is less than 14% per year. So it's an unfortunate situation, but I believe that the government has other arsenal at its disposal to be able to handle the situation, and increase in GST slab rates in a rather difficult economic growth environment will not cut the mustard. The forthcoming week will also witness ECB meeting, also will witness UK elections where Boris Johnson is poised against Jeremy Corbyn in a pro-Brexit and anti-Brexit fight that is beginning to take place. Jeremy Corbyn believes that there's going to be various security walls that will be raised should a Brexit actually happen, and he points to many documents at his possession, therefore with something which Boris Johnson has not yet pointed out. So it's going to be a very interesting UK election, and the outcome will also have its impact on global stock markets, UK being an important economy. Not only this, you will also see further signs of the economy, the world economy, more factors, more figures coming out during this week, and all these can have an impact. I believe that the stage is getting set for a rather difficult week in global stock markets. Indian stock markets, please be cautious. Monday, I believe, should be fairly decent. However, the uptrend could soon be arrested as as all these various factors start coming into highlight zone. The increase in slab rates in the GST will again complicate matters. People will have to recalibrate their calculations, rethink how their businesses are going to be poised in this difficult market environment. So as investors, do not take big bets at the beginning of the week on the buy side. You may end up in trouble. Definitely Tuesday is a negative day. and you will find that negativeness continue into Thursday, Friday, most of the week. So be careful. Stay out if you have a weak heart, or do not wish. And definitely, this is not the time to invest for the long term. So I have always said that there is a time when you find that the markets are nearing to bottom out, and that's a good time, but not when the indices are at all-time highs. This is not the time to invest for such a long haul. Many fund managers you see keep talking about 5 years horizon, even today, that over a 5 year term global stocks will do well, India's story is intact. That's not the way to invest. If you're seeing a 20-30% correction around the corner, you wait for that correction to get over and then enter for the long haul. So please keep these factors in a rather difficult week that's coming up. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.